record. Tire Zone sales associate, 2 months terminated, insubordinate. Yet, you sit before me asking for help. Michael. Coffee? I'm gonna be brutally honest with you here, Mike. Given your track record, your options are gonna be extremely limited. You know, it's not that easy. I have a job for you. Sit down.
Okay, well...
It's a security gig. Right? High turnover, that's what we call in the business, and you only have to worry about one thing, and, you know, and keep the place tight. You want the job or not?
How's the pay?
Not great. But the hours are worse. Excuse me? That's such a shame. In case you have a change of heart. Garrett! Mister, I can't work nights.
Right.
Oh, it absolutely is. Why? Have you had a change of heart? This place was huge in the 80s with the kids. It's been shut down for years. Well, he's kind of a sentimental guy, I guess. Yeah. Trouble with break-ins over the years. Security system, anything happens. There's a breaker in the main office, just flip it. I guess that's about it. You know, rest is pretty easy. Just keep your eyes on the monitors and keep people out. Hopefully.
The man who took them, he was Barry. He knew the parents would cry and the police would come looking, and he knew there's one place they'd never think to check because his name is William Afton.
You knew?
Couldn't just leave it alone! Lucky me! This is perfect. Now I kill you! Symmetry, my friend! This is gonna be...
Little ones tell me you have a
sister. She will love it here. However, I'm finished.
That's it!
temper tantrums, aren't we, Vanessa? You may have forgotten your loyalties, but I assure you, and help me clean up the mess that you... Come on. We both know you're not gonna...
The Yellow Rabbit. He controls them.
The Yellow Rabbit hurt your friends.
One, keep him in the dark and kill him if... Let go!
they know what you did.
Move! Look at you. How small you are. You are wretched, rotten little beast. I made you. I always come back.